If you've ever upgraded your car speakers but still felt like the bass just isn't there, you're not alone. Many factory sound systems simply can't deliver the deep, powerful low end that makes music feel immersive. The result is a system that sounds thin, no matter how loud you turn it up. The good news is that the right subwoofer can completely transform your listening experience. In this video, you're going to discover some of the best YANKA car subwoofers with deep bass, and by the time you reach the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your setup, your space, and your bass expectations. The best part about all these subwoofers is that they are ideal for beginners looking for better bass performance in very tight budgets. Stick around, because this list truly has something for everyone. From compact underseat solutions to larger subs built for serious low-end impact. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more honest car audio reviews. Check the links in the description to find the best deals on these products and drop a comment letting us know which one catches your attention. If your goal is to build a traditional aftermarket system that delivers powerful low-end performance, this 12-inch subwoofer is a strong place to start. With a driver this size, you immediately get the kind of bass presence that fills the entire cabin, rather than sounding like it's coming from one corner of the trunk. When you listen to bass-heavy music, you'll notice how confidently it handles deep notes. Instead of sounding loose or muddy, the bass stays controlled and punchy. That means kick drums feel impactful, bass guitars sound full, and electronic bass lines carry real weight. It's the kind of subwoofer that makes your music feel alive rather than simply louder. Another thing you'll likely appreciate is how well it spreads bass throughout the vehicle. Some subwoofers feel strong near the trunk but fade when you're sitting up front. With this model, the bass energy travels through the cabin, so every seat gets a satisfying low-end presence. When paired with upgraded door speakers, it also helps balance the entire system. Your mids and highs remain clear, while the subwoofer handles the low frequencies with authority. This subwoofer is best for drivers who want a full-size 12-inch driver in a traditional enclosure powered by a separate amplifier. The only small drawback is that you'll need the right enclosure and amplifier to get the most from it, but once properly installed, the performance easily makes it worth it. If you want strong bass without dealing with separate amplifiers, complicated wiring, or custom enclosures, this compact active system makes the process much easier. Everything you need is integrated into one unit, which means installation is typically quicker and more straightforward. Once it's installed, you'll immediately notice how it fills in the missing low end that many factory systems struggle to produce. Your music suddenly gains depth and warmth, making everything from hip-hop to rock sound far more engaging. Because the amplifier and subwoofer are designed to work together, the tuning feels balanced. You don't get that overwhelming boom that can drown out the rest of your music. Instead, you get bass that complements your speakers and strengthens the overall sound. Another advantage is the compact enclosure design. If trunk space matters to you, this system provides powerful bass without taking up a huge portion of your cargo area. When you turn the volume up, the system stays composed rather than sounding strained. That's a good sign that the internal amplifier and driver are matched properly. This subwoofer system is best for drivers who want a simple, convenient bass upgrade that still delivers strong performance. The only limitation is that integrated systems offer less customization than separate components, but the convenience and solid output make it a very worthwhile option. If you enjoy music with powerful bass lines and want something that can deliver strong impact, this 12-inch subwoofer brings a lot of energy to your system. It's designed to handle serious output, which means you can push your system harder without the bass collapsing or distorting too quickly. When you listen to tracks with heavy kick drums or deep electronic bass, you'll notice how lively the low end feels. Instead of hearing a single booming tone, the bass retains texture and detail. That makes different songs sound distinct rather than blending together. This kind of performance becomes especially noticeable if you listen to a wide variety of genres. Hip-hop tracks feel punchy and powerful, rock songs gain that satisfying kick drum impact, and electronic music produces the rolling bass that fills the cabin. Another benefit is how well it blends with aftermarket speakers when tuned properly. Your mids and highs remain clear while the subwoofer delivers the deep foundation that ties everything together. This model works best for drivers building a dedicated system with a separate amplifier who want strong output and energetic bass performance. The only small compromise is that proper tuning and enclosure choice will make a big difference, but once dialed in, the results are very rewarding. Not every vehicle has room for a large subwoofer box in the trunk. If you're working with limited space but still want deeper bass, this compact under-seat subwoofer offers a very practical solution. Once installed under the seat, the bass feels surprisingly close and immediate. Instead of coming from the rear of the vehicle, the low frequencies feel like they surround the front cabin area, which creates a more immersive listening experience. What you'll notice right away is how much fuller your music sounds. Factory systems often lack deep bass, so adding this compact subwoofer fills that missing range and gives your music more warmth and depth. Because the amplifier is built into the enclosure, installation becomes more manageable compared to building a full trunk system. That makes it especially appealing if you're upgrading your car audio for the first time. Despite its small size, it adds a satisfying amount of punch to everyday listening. Your music won't sound thin anymore, and even lower listening volumes feel richer. This subwoofer is best for drivers with smaller vehicles or anyone who wants to preserve trunk space while still improving bass response. Naturally, a compact under-seat design won't match the sheer output of larger trunk-mounted subs, but for its size, the performance is impressively capable. If you're looking for a subwoofer that blends strong bass with excellent musical balance, this 10-inch model stands out as the most versatile choice on the list. It sits right in the sweet spot between size and responsiveness. A 10-inch driver often reacts faster than larger subwoofers, and that becomes noticeable when you listen to music with quick bass notes. The bass feels tight and punchy rather than slow or bloated, which makes your entire system sound cleaner. At the same time, it still produces enough depth to give music that powerful low-end foundation. So while it stays accurate, it doesn't feel weak or thin. Another advantage is how adaptable it is depending on the enclosure you choose. With the right setup, you can tune it for tight, accurate bass or for deeper, more impactful output depending on your preference. That flexibility makes it a great option whether you're building a modest audio upgrade or a more serious sound system. This subwoofer is best for drivers who want a balanced combination of punchy response and deep bass performance. The only small limitation is that extreme bass enthusiasts might prefer a larger driver, but for most systems, this 10-inch sub delivers a fantastic balance that makes it well worth considering. When it comes to my final recommendations, each of these subwoofers fits a slightly different type of setup. The YANKA BSC12-2 is an excellent choice if you're building a traditional car audio system and want that classic deep bass experience from a full-size 12-inch driver. It works especially well in a properly tuned enclosure with a dedicated amplifier. The YANKA Ska TS12M is perfect if you prefer a simpler installation without sacrificing bass performance. Its all-in-one active design makes it one of the easiest ways to upgrade your system. The YANKA BSP12-4 is a great option for listeners who enjoy energetic music and want a subwoofer capable of delivering powerful, high-impact bass. With the right amplifier, it becomes a very exciting performer. The YANKA Soda Z08 ASW is ideal if you have limited space but still want stronger bass in your vehicle. Its compact under-seat design allows you to upgrade your system without losing valuable cargo room. And the YANKA BSF10-4 takes the top spot because it offers the best balance between punch, clarity, and versatility. It's a fantastic all-around subwoofer that works beautifully in a wide range of car audio setups. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, check the links in the description for the latest deals, and tell us in the comments which subwoofer you would install in your car.